Does your stereo ever happen to randomly text people? So this is the KDC BT952HD, and it's by Kenwood. Anyway, I'd get a text message while driving and it would automatically text people. Push the phone button and then go to Bluetooth setup and then detailed, sorry, actually I think it's SMS, and then SMS reply. I don't know if you can see there, and turn it to off. Usually it's on auto, and so if it's on auto and someone texts you, it will randomly text someone in your phone book back. So just turn it to off. You'll notice that the messages are usually something like "I'm driving now," and so there you go. Again, Bluetooth button, and then Bluetooth settings, SMS, SMS reply, turn it to off. And that's how you do it. Thanks.